Let's go 5. Lesson 11. I won't study. I will play games. Listen and repeat. It's Saturday today. I won't study. I will play video games. It's Monday today. I won't play games today. I will go to school.
It's rainy today. I won't go to the park. I will stay at home.
I'm sick today. I won't go to school today. I will go see the doctor.
It's sunny today. I won't stay at home. I will ride a bike in the park.
I am tired today. I won't watch TV. I will go to sleep. I have a test tomorrow. I won't play with toys today. I will study hard.